What's up everybody, I am Jaspreet Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. So, Kim Kardashian, huh? You probably know Kim as the fashion or the reality TV star, but whether you hate her or you're keeping up with the Kardashians, she knows how to sell her products. So, a few months ago, Kim Kardashian launched her new perfume line, KKW Fragrances, and as a business, it's doing, pretty well. Within just 24 hours of Kim launching her new perfume, she sold over $10 million worth of products in just one day. Within the first 6 weeks, she was completely sold out of her inventory and she had people on waiting lists to buy her perfume that they haven't even smelled yet. Smells delicious. Unlike what some people might think, Kim Kardashian's perfume line success did not happen on accident, so today I want to go over the 4 things that Kim Kardashian did so we can learn from it. First, Kim knew her niche, or as some people say, niche. Now, I know this is kind of obvious, but Kim Kardashian knew what she wanted to align herself with and what she didn't. I think the simplest way for me to explain this is to tell you what Kim is not. Kim is not an investment advisor. You don't see KKW wealth advisors giving stock market advice. Kim Kardashian is a beauty and lifestyle influencer. She is her brand, so she makes sure that you see an exotic lifestyle whether you watch her on Instagram, Facebook, or TV. There is no possible way you can do everything, so you gotta find your niche. I know this is tough to implement, especially when you're starting off, because you feel like you're cutting your brand's potential when you narrow your audience. But you have to start narrow and find your niche, and then you can grow. Second, here's a question for you. What's one thing that every business needs to survive? Sales. Look, sales is a number game. It's like, okay, if I sell a fitness supplement and I show my fitness product to 100 random people, I might be able to get one of those 100 people to make a purchase. But if I can show 100 hardcore gym rats my fitness supplement, now I might be able to convert 5 or 6 of those 100 people into buyers. Over the years, Kim Kardashian has built up a following of millions and millions of people, and most of these people love Kim and they're probably interested in beauty products. Now, let's just say hypothetically that you wanted to start a business and you wanted to show your products to 1 million people. How would you do it? Well, you could buy a bunch of Facebook ads and show your product to your ideal customer, and then you would hope that your customer acquisition cost or your marketing cost is lower than your profit margin. It might be expensive, but you could do it. Or you can also try to get your products in retail store shelves. This way, when people are out shopping, they'll see your products even though traditional retail is dying. Or a third option is to do what Kim did and build an audience online. Kim has invested a ton of time, effort, and energy into her social media pages. This way she was able to build an audience of targeted people within her niche. So now, if she wants millions of targeted people to see her product, all she has to do is post something on Instagram and boop, she's done. This concept of developing an audience online is a crucial part of building a sustainable online business. It takes time to do, and you don't need millions of followers to be very profitable, but it's possible. And the great part is you don't need a whole bunch of money to start. You can start with your laptop and your phone. If you are interested in learning more about how you can build an audience online and turn this into a business and a brand, we wrote an ebook on how you can do this. It's completely free, and you can read it on our website by clicking the link up here or by clicking the link in the caption below. Third, Kim actually wants some of you not to like her. Look, you and I already know that Kim Kardashian has haters. There are some people that say Kim Kardashian is where she is now because of her leaked sex tape, even though there's a lot of people that have done something similar and are nowhere near as successful as Kim, or they say she had connections, or they say she got lucky, or whatever. Now, I'm not here today to talk about why some people spend so much energy criticizing and worrying about someone else's success, but I want you to know that these critics and haters actually lift Kim higher. Look, you cannot please everybody. It's just not possible. You could take your hard-earned money and spend your time feeding homeless people in your community, and people will be upset. They'll say something like, oh, you should have used your money to fight the drug problem, or something else like that. For a lot of people, this criticism or this fear of criticism is what holds them back from doing anything, but Kim embraces this. If you comment on Kim Kardashian's post and you call her ugly or stupid or worthless or fat or whatever, you're actually increasing her social media engagement, and then Facebook looks at this and they say, huh, Lots of people are engaging with Kim Kardashian's posts, so let us push her posts even more. And then you have magazines that come along and say, it looks like Kim's face is generating a lot of hype. Let's ask her to be on our next cover because this will create a lot of buzz for our publication. And then this results in more people seeing Kim's content, so she develops a larger audience and then she gets more sales. You gotta cater to your audience and screw the critics. Haters will always be there for you, so you might as well give them a good reason to hate, and that's exactly what Kim does. Fourth, build long-term value. As you start to build your audience, some people will start to sell the crap out of anything they can get their hands on. It's kind of like the scene from Wolf on Wall Street where Jordan Belfort is giving a speech to his company and he goes, "I want you to pick up your phone and sell or die." While that's one option, another option is to build a relationship with your audience and build long-term value. If you do everything to sell, yeah, you'll make more money now. But if Kim Kardashian used every social media post she made for the last 10 years to push her beauty products, you'd get annoyed pretty quickly. It goes back to the whole instant gratification versus delayed gratification mindset. If you had $1, $2, $3, $4, $5 today, you could go out and buy yourself a slushie. But if you took this money and you saved it and invested it, you'll eventually get to the point where you could buy a whole slushie machine, and then you can have a slushie every day. And that's exactly what Kim did. She built a brand around her lifestyle, and this keeps people coming back and hungry for more Kim Kardashian. So now when Kim Kardashian wants to launch a new perfume line, she already has an audience to sell it to, her audience wants to support her, and her audience is interested in products within the beauty niche, and that's how she's able to do $10 million in just one day. But now I want to know your thoughts. Is Kim Kardashian low-key a business genius, or is she just stupidly lucky? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button and share it with one friend so we can help spread the word. Don't miss our new videos on entrepreneurship, business, and money every single week, so hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you actually find out when our new videos are released. And as always, keep hustling.